We'll start off with some more modern games. Board games. Board games. Playing cards. Playing cards. Chess. Chess. Chips. Chips. Dice. Dice. Dominoes. Dominoes. Draughts. Draughts. Go. Go. Turn. Turn. Hand. Hand. Pack of cards. Pack of cards. Poker. Poker. Puzzle. Puzzle. To deal the cards. To deal the cards. To shuffle the cards. To shuffle the cards. Hearts. Hearts. Clubs. Clubs. Diamonds. Diamonds. Spades. Spades. Ace. Ace. King. King. Queen. Queen. Jack. Jack. Joker. Joker. Your turn. Your turn. Now for some more traditional games. Bag jumping. Bag jumping. Bamboo dancing. Bamboo dancing. Bamboo jacks. Bamboo jacks. Blind man's bluff. Blind man's bluff. Buffalo fighting. Buffalo fighting. Cat and mouse game. Cat and mouse game. Chanting while sawing wood. Chanting while sawing wood. Cockfighting. Cockfighting. Darts. Darts. Flying kite. Flying kite. Mud banger. Mud banger. Racing boat. Racing boat. Rice cooking competition. Rice cooking competition. Spinning tops. Spinning tops. Stilt walking. Stilt walking. Tug of war. Tug of war. Human chess. Human chess. Games are a huge part of life and being human. More things that are related to life are things like language and English. So, keep practicing your English. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel to help you do that. And to really learn English communication skills, you can leave your phone number and email address in the comment box below. We look forward to seeing you soon. Take care and goodbye. From me, Liesel, and Langmaster Learning System.